In this video, I am going to show you each and everything that you need to know about pocket option copy trading. As you can see here, but firstly, I will reload this page so that you can know that these are the real fund and these are the real result. I have reloaded it. Let's wait for some time for it to load. Okay, so it's loading now. So let's click on this close, and here you can see here are some of the profitable trades that were made by copying my trades. This is an account of one of my VIP copy trader who copies my trade automatically by using the social trading feature of pocket option. And if you notice one thing, we only make $200 per trade in each trade. We don't do up and down. Now let me show you today's result. The today's profit was $516, 100% win rate. Yesterday's profit was $948 with 75% win rate, and all-time profit of $22 for this account. Sorry, 22 days. All-time profit of 22 days is $10,452. So he copies 100% of my trade, and as you can notice here, minimum and maximum trade amount is $200. Now let's see how happy my VIP copy traders are. Here you can see some of the screenshot that I have shared. You can pause and read this screenshot, but I will just show you a little bit fast. Here you can see literally everyone are making profit inside my VIP copy trading channel, and I have not even hidden their name. You can literally ask them also by joining my Telegram channel. We have lots of this kind of proof. You can watch, you can ask, you can read. I always share my results like this in this free Telegram channel, and you can join my free Telegram channel. Link will be in the description of this YouTube video. Now let's see the simplest process on how we do copy trading setting. So it is extremely simple. Once you join my free Telegram channel, then you will see the instruction on how you can join our VIP copy trading channel. And once you join that VIP copy trading channel, then you will get a unique, UID. And when you get that UID, so for example, let's see for this ID, this is the UID. Okay, you will get this kind of number, and you copy that number from our VIP copy trading channel and just come to here. Okay, social trading, come to social trading, come to here and click on search, and then put that number at here, and a name will appear. That will be my name. This is not my name because it is just another people UID which I have copied recently. And once this name appear at here, just click on that name and you will see this kind of interface. Now if you do this yesterday, you can see the result. Okay, and you can see the result of all time also by doing like this. Okay, and let's see the result of yesterday. Here you can see if you copy the random people ID, then there is one problem, like his minimum trade is $266 and his maximum trade is $5,000. Now the win rate profitable trades is 61%. So let's say if he make profit of 20, he made $266 profit for 5 times, okay, and lost one trade of $5,000, then what will happen is you may increase this profitable trades percentage. Okay, your profitable trades percentage will not decrease because your loss are few. Your loss is one, okay, $5,000 loss, and your win is of $266 for 5 times. That's why your percentage will increase, but you will be in loss. And if you copy this kind of ID, then most probably you are also going to go in loss. That's why I make only one amount trade, like $200 per trade in each trade. But that doesn't mean you also need to copy my $200 per trade. You can literally copy from $2 to $200 trade, any amount that you want. You can copy $10 per trade, you can copy $20 per trade. That's your choice. Okay, you just need to set up the percentage that I will show you now. So once you come here, just click on this copy. Okay, now as I have told you, I only make $200 per trade, so you don't need to put anything at here, just leave it as it is. And in minimum copy trade amount, just leave one, that's fine. Okay, and stop balance, one of the important thing, you don't need to put the stop balance at here. Okay, let's say you want to risk $1,000 in my copy trading service, or let's say $100 in my copy trading service, then what you can do is you can put that much amount in balance. Okay, but don't use the stop loss, because I have noticed that some of my VIP copy trader were not able to copy all of my trade because they used the stop balance. I don't know why, but that is frequently happening in my VIP copy trading. So that's why I don't recommend to use the stop balance. Just put the amount that you want to take risk in copy trading at here, and that's all. Okay, so now This is the important thing, copy in proportion. Like if you want to make $200 per trade, then just make it 100%. 100% of $200 is 100%. And if you want to make $100 per trade, just make it 50%, and you will start to copy $100 per trade. If I make $200 per trade, you will copy $100 per trade. And let's say your account is so much small and you only want to make $2 per trade, then just make it 1%. So if I make $200 per trade, you will make $2 per trade. In this way, you can do this copy trading setting. And once everything is done, just click on confirm and you will start to copy my trade automatically in your account.